Hi, Tubby here. I'm taking a break from writing a script for the Christmas video, so there will be one, so hang tight, it's coming along. But I got something in the mail. It is Cuddle Clones. Now, anyone who's watched my channel in the early days, I had a cat named Tubby. He was this big, giant gray, one-eyed cat, and unfortunately he passed away at the end of 2009 due to cancer. But earlier this year I discovered a site called Cuddle Clones, and what they do is you send them pictures and details of your pets and they make a plushie version of it, and I've seen pictures of what they've done and it's so cool. So I had this one ordered since early summer, so you can tell they're pretty busy and they have a lot of pets to make. So I just got this in the mail just now. So I'm gonna find out what the Cuddle Clone of Tubby is like. I'm trying to be careful so I don't cut him. Oh my god. Oh, he's so fat. They got I emphasized in the emails that he was a fat cat. Oh, they got a ribbon on him too. There's one. They even got the detail with his ear. Oh my goodness, look, the top of his ear is gone. And I don't know if you can see his eye, but he got the brown spot in his eye. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh my god. This is amazing. You know, like when you look at, like, turn a cat into a plot, like, oh my goodness, I gotta see how the other cats react to this. This is gonna be fun. I don't think she's sure what to think. Aww. You like him, he told me? You like him? Not sure, Stanley? How about you, Susan? You remember who that was? Not sure. I saw. Look what I got. Who's this? Who is this? Yeah, some of the cats are a bit indifferent to him, but yeah, this is just so cool. Anyway, the site is cuddleclones.com. I'll have a link in the description, so if you want to have your own beloved pet made into a plushie, yeah, they're the place to go. It takes a few months to get it, but yeah, it's so worth it.